So what happens on the next step? All right, well, the first thing that happens is we resample. By the way, we're going to go through the exact algorithm of this in a little bit. To resample, what we do is we first randomly pick a particle from this top distribution. This is the distribution we had after the multiplication, right? And of course, the bigger the weight, the more likely we'll pull out a particle. That's what these weights mean. So we're more likely to find things here than, say, over here for two reasons. One, there's just more particles over here than over here, or to the right than on the left. And also those particles have a higher weight. They have a bigger value. So I sample the particles, and every new particle that I create starts off with a uniform weight. So I just, let's say I need 1,000 particles, 1,000 times. I might get the same particle more than once. That's okay. Then what I do is I sample and I move. Now what do you mean move? Well, remember those actions, the U's? Okay, so if the robot thinks it took a step 2 meters to the right, okay, it shifts that particle by 2 meters. It shifts its belief of where it is 2 meters. And then finally, it adds a little bit of noise. This is just like we were doing the Kalman. Remember, you start off with a distribution, you do the deterministic shift, and then you add some noise. Well, to do our distribution, we first have to sample our particles, then do the deterministic shift, then we add a little bit of uncertainty to that. Okay, so here you can see the resulting thing is we have a density that has been resampled, so there's like a whole bunch of points, and shifted with a little uncertainty added in.